boys and girls, welcome to the next video. Okay, so what we're doing today is Mrs. Lee read Fish in the Tree for the 27th time. There are 260 pages in all. How many pages did Mrs. Lee read? Alright, so first we have to put the bigger number on top, which is 260 times 27 equals 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 6 is 42. But this will not work because you can't have a two-digit number in the ones place. So you're going to have to add the 2 and the tens place. You're going to have to put the 4 there and put the 2 down there. 7 times 2 is 14. This would be incorrect because you still have to add the 4 up there. So 14 plus 4 is 8. That'll put you at 18. Now we have to add the 2. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times, no. So 2 stands for 20. So that would be a 0 there. And the next 0 times 0 is 0 times 2 is 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. This would be incorrect because you can't have a multi-digit number in the tens place. So cross that out and 1. Now 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we're going to add this up. And we're going to get 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus. And so since we can't put a 10 there, we would have to carry the 1 up there. So 1 plus 5 is 6. This wouldn't be correct because we still have to add the 1 from up there. So this would give you 7. Please pause this video and solve this. Alright, hopefully you've paused this and solved it. Okay, so Riley ate 365 pizzas. Each pizza had 17 slices. How many slices of pizza did Riley eat? 300. So what we would have to do is write 365 times 17. The bigger number goes on top when you're multiplying. It helps you more. So 7 times 5 is 35. This would be incorrect because you cannot have a multi-digit number in the ones place. So the 3 would end up going up here. So 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. This would be incorrect because you can't have a multi-digit number in the tens place. So you would put the 4 up here and carry the 2 down here. And also, this is incorrect too because I didn't add my 3. So 42 plus 3 is 45. 5 here and add the 4 up here. So 7 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. So this is our answer. Now we have to worry about the 1s. 1 times 5 is, no, first the 1 stands for 10. So 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 3. Now we have to add this up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1 here. I'm almost done. And 6 plus 1 is 7. And 3 plus 3 is 6. That gives us our answer. Alright, that brings us to your PBTS. Brooke did 512 flip videos. Each flip video was 12 minutes long. How many minutes did she spend doing flip videos? Alright, see you in the morning. Hopefully Mr. B will check it.